We are the biggest plant in the world producing latches for automotive. Every day we produce nearly 200,000 locking systems for cars. So it represents approximately 15,000 cars which is produced every day just with our products. Cooperation with Eledus was really perfect because they implemented precisely what we needed, and we gave them at the beginning just a rough task, what we need, and they completely fulfill our requirements. Together with Stäubli, they were able to give us here a complete station, which is now perfectly running.
Relationship between Eledus and Kiekert started with a contract which target was to realization of X-ray station.
We are cooperating with Stäubli already several years. We have here several robots because we find these robots reliable and stable also in this high volume production, and that's really important for us because every machine which is on the line has to be really stable, running 24 hours every day, and every even small issue is directly causing line stop, what we of course can't have. Robot application we have for checking of soldering. So the robot take our product, put it to X-ray. By X-ray it's check the quality of soldering, and then it again is given back to the pallet and moved to another working operation.
The emphasis of this solution, or our solution, was put to reliability and precision of movement. And with great references from our partners, the Stäubli robots was a right choice for us.
The quality is very important for us, and this robot really secures that all our products are always 100% okay. And this could never be done by human because nobody can put his hand into X-ray. So that's why we have their robotic application to help us to really keep 100% quality.